Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Automotor UK. Hello everyone, good, where we bring you the latest updates, reviews, and insights on one of the most exciting motorcycles in the market, of the Yamaha R15 V5. If you're a sport bike enthusiast or someone looking for a perfect blend of power, style, and advanced technology, this bike is a game changer. Unmatched performance engine power. The Yamaha R15 V5 is powered by a 155cc, liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine with variable valve actuation, VVA, delivering impressive performance and efficiency. With a 6-speed gearbox, assisted slipper clutch, and a refined fuel injection system, this bike ensures a smooth yet thrilling ride. Whether you're on city roads or highways, the R15 V5 offers an exhilarating experience. Aerodynamic design, sporty looks. One of the standout features of the R15 V5 is its aerodynamic design, inspired by Yamaha's legendary R series. With aggressive twin-LED headlights, a sharp front fairing, and an R7-inspired design, this bike commands attention on the road. The new fully digital instrument cluster adds to the premium feel, giving riders all essential information at a glance. Advanced features technology. Yamaha has equipped the R15 V5 with cutting-edge features, including a traction control system, TCS, enhances stability and prevents wheel slip. A quick shifter, on select variants, allows clutchless upshifts for seamless acceleration. A dual-channel ABS ensures maximum safety and superior braking performance. A upside-down, USD, front forks provides better handling and suspension response. Comfort ride quality. Despite its sporty DNA, the ergonomics of the R15 V5 ensure a comfortable ride. The well-cushioned seat, optimized foot peg positioning, and high-quality suspension setup make it ideal for both short rides and long journeys. Final verdict: why choose the Yamaha R15 V5? The Yamaha R15 V5 is a perfect choice for riders who want a track-inspired machine with everyday usability. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced rider, this bike delivers unmatched value in its segment. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for detailed reviews, ride experiences, modifications, and tips on the Yamaha R15 V5. Stay tuned for thrilling content and don't forget to hit the bell icon for updates. Yamaha R15 V5 Yamaha R15 Sportbike motorcycle review Bike lovers, thanks for watching so much.